Hazrat Abu Sa'id Khudri radiyallahu anhu states, some of the companions of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam undertook a journey and happened to pass by a tribe of the Arab tribes. The companions radiyallahu anhum demanded hospitality from them, but they refused to serve them. They then asked the companions radiyallahu anhum, is there anyone among you who can faith heal? The chief of the tribe has been stung by a scorpion. Or they said, he is in agony. One of the companions radiyallahu anhum said, yes, I know how to faith heal. Then that companion went to that chief and faith healed him by reading chapter Fatiha. That man whereupon relied, and he was given a flock of sheep. He refused to take those sheep, saying, I will not receive them until I mention it to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He then visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and mentioned it, submitting, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, I did not faith heal reading anything save chapter Fatiha. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon smiled and said, how have you come to know that it can be used as an incantation? He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then said, take these goats and set aside a share for me as well. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 5697.